Alexus Love Beauty. So today I wanted to speak to you about mica powder versus liquid lip. This right here is super controversial in the lip gloss business. You know, a lot of people say that you cannot have color with the mica powder. It's only going to give you a shimmer, which is somewhat true because mica is a mineral and it comes from India, one of the #1 richest countries in the world in minerals. And so unfortunately we get this mica powder from the mines in India, and it's produced by children workers. And so this mica powder is used in almost everything you can think of: electronics and cosmetics, just like the Versagel base is used in pharmaceutical, cosmetics. The only difference why we're able to obtain these items and be able to use them on our skin is because the way that they're processed, the way that they're extracted, and the testing that they go through. So I wanted to explain to you about mica powder, that you actually can get that to show in color. So it is a shimmery mineral, but this is the way that you'll get it to show in color. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you some colors that I made, and I'm going to show you what they look like on my lips. With these colors, I have made these almost a month ago. They have not separated. With the mica powder, one time I mixed it with the white liquid lip. I do not like the white liquid lip. I know people say to add that in and then it makes the color show on lip gloss. To me, it did not. It never did. It never made the color show. Actually, I kept a bottle of that white liquid lip, and then it has so much oil in it. When you hold on to products for so long, you'll be able to see the oil separate from the product if there's a lot of oil in it, and oil and water does not mix. So that white liquid lip has a lot of oil in it. And give me just a moment and I want to show you an example. I don't have the white liquid lip anymore, but I do have flavoring oil from Get Sucker, and I want to show you what I mean about the separation that you'll be able to see. Oh, I'm back. Okay, so this is chocolate chip plant-based oil from Get Sucker. Girl, the bottle was squizzle because I had it for a minute. It's brand new, right? And so this is what I mean by you'll be able to know if you're getting a real oil. This is chocolate chip oil. This is literally chocolate chips that have separated from the oil. So this is how you know that this oil is real. This company is, they're telling the truth. Because girl, one day I looked up and I seen this and I was like, oh my God, like that's chocolate. So this oil was extracted from chocolates. So just like in that white liquid lip, I seen that the oil separated from the liquid. Every time I mixed the white liquid lip in the lip gloss, I never got a color. I never got a hint of a color. One day I learned about the mica powder, and so I was like, okay, I'm going to buy some of that and try it out. So I got some from TKB Trading, and I put a little bit of the white liquid lip in there to see how to mix it up. Didn't really get anything, and then I bought a lot of light colors. I think what's happening is, well, we're buying a lot of light colors and we're expecting a color. So if you want a color from a mica powder, buy a more darker color and then you'll be able to get that color. So one day something just told me I would just, I always encourage to experiment, right? When you make anything, leave it out for an extended period of time so you'll be able to tell people how it works. Like, I know this is not going to separate. I know this is how this works because you've experimented with yourself. These lip glosses I had them for over a month and nothing has happened. What happened was one day, instead of me doing a whole bunch of mixing, I literally just got lip gloss base, a couple of different oils to break down the base because it's thick. And then I also just put a pack of mica powder in it by itself. I just poured a little bit of mica powder in it by itself and I mixed it up. I didn't get the color right away. This is a dark brown, but I continued to just add the brown in there. And I did it like in measurements to make sure that it wasn't going to be, too much or too heavy or anything like that. But when I got the good measurement, this mica powder is the only thing that I use, and it made the lip gloss brown, right? And so there was more experimenting going on because I like to experiment, right? And I'm led to experiment too, honey, because you know God had gave me some of this style, right? So I was led to also include the TKB Trading Liquid Lip. There is a beautiful brown color that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, and I use both of these. I use the liquid lip and I use the Mica powder. With the liquid lip, I only put like 3 or 4 drops in there, and it just intensified it, and it gave it that chocolatey look. With the powder, so the powder gave it the color, right? And the liquid lip intensified it and made it look, you know, chocolatey. So I have used both of these together and just had extreme results, just glamorous. I love it. So and I've been having them, you know, set for like almost a month, like I said. So you can definitely get color out of a Mica, however you call it, powder. But I would recommend just getting a dark color and then just measuring it out, you know, just keep adding it until it shows, and take samples at a time. So put a little bit, mix it up, see if it shows. If it doesn't, just keep going back until you get your own rhythm of it. But it definitely works. And then also I have this red powder as well from TKB Trading. Just came out red. Got my base, got my oils, dipped this in there, just kept on mixing it up until I got the right consistency, and I finally had a red. First I was watching videos and I was like, oh my goodness, you know, let me learn how to make the red lip gloss. I made it how people were saying with the, you know, the white liquid lip and the powders. I never got that. One day I was like, let me cut out the liquid lip and just use the powder. Baby, I'm going to show you this beautiful red lip gloss. It has not separated from the oil. It has not caused any irritation, any skin bleaching, or anything of the sort. So Mica powder is, like I said, a mineral, and it's not a consumable mineral because it is created, you know, for electric and things like that. So do not consume, right? The red shows up pretty good, and it's a little messy. We're gonna keep it real. The red is a little bit messy, but just, you know, make sure you got your Ajax on hand to clean up the lip gloss messes. And when you wear it, this comes out like a lipstick. This is why I love that red. This is a absolute lip gloss, but it looks amazing. It looks just like a lipstick. So Mica powder versus liquid lip, I don't have a problem with any one of them. The only thing I got a problem with is that white liquid lip, because it's full of oil and it doesn't really, to me, it doesn't really mix that well. So girls, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you these bows. The bows might look a little messy because, like I said, I've been experimenting, mixing them up, going in, putting them on every day, seeing what's going on, and nothing has been going on but natural beauty. So Alexus loves you. Mwah. So I wanted to show you this red lip gloss without the flash on my camera. So I do have the ring light, but I turned the flash off. So this is from TKB Trading, and this is just Mica powder and oils, and this is the red that I got. This has been sitting for almost a month, and you know, you get the texture of your lip gloss when you know, mix it to your consistency. This is absolutely gorgeous. Barely any air bubbles. Like I love it. I'm just super fascinated with this red. You can see it's mixed to perfection, honey. Yes, I'm gonna show you what this looks like on the lips. This is the brown that I mixed with both the liquid lip and the Mica powder. Super, super pretty. You see there's no separation. You can't even tell that there's two different things mixed in here. Like, it is so gorgeous, so chocolatey. Like, I love the chocolate looking lip gloss. Like caramel, if you wanted to do like a caramel, then you'll go lighter, or you wouldn't, you know, you'll go lighter on both. But if you wanted the chocolate, this is exactly what you want. I'm going to show you what both of these look like on the lips. Okay, so I'm here. I wiped off the coconut oil. Girl, I had coconut oil on my lips, but I don't have any flashes on or anything. And I want to show you the brown lip gloss. That is with one swipe. Just one swipe. That's it. And I completely love it. Like, I kind of lost the lip lining. That is just with one swipe. That beautiful brown lip gloss with the Mica and the liquid. And I'm going to show you the red lip gloss. Girl, look. Look at me. Look, I'm feeling. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah. Because I'm feeling this. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me put another coat on. Let me show you another coat. This is the second coat here. Okay, so I don't have a stick for my red. A little, you know, wand tube. I got some on my finger. That is two coats. I love that. You know how sometimes you're trying to get that red and then it look like that, like glossy, like jelly, the jelly look. That's what it be, the jelly look. This is not the jelly look. Those are 2 swipes. I'm gonna do 3 swipes. I like mine darker. Ooh, that's pretty heavy, but, and you know something else I do put it on heavy so I can see how it react. I want to see if there's going to be residue forming or anything. So when I experiment, I do put it on heavy because I want to see what the outcome is going to be. But this right here is just 3 swipes. And I'm doing it with my fingers, so I'm getting a lot. Whoop, yeah, I got a lot. It's lip gloss everywhere. Girl, get your Ajax, honey, because you know that, girl. Yeah, I got a lot. Ooh, it's everywhere. Don't do that. Please don't do what I just did. Please don't do what I just did. So, but you see that this is the red. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Like, I love it. This is the color that I've been looking for, and this is just strictly oils based and makeup powder. Alexus loves you.